The medicines of Noah, how healing knowledge passed through the covenant line to Judah. Today I'm teaching on a truth that has been hidden in plain sight, a truth preserved in the book of Jubilees, a truth that explains why certain families carry healing, why certain tribes carry restoration, and why Judah was always appointed to lead. The teaching is titled, The Medicines of Noah, how healing knowledge passed through the covenant line to Judah. I want you to hear this clearly. In Jubilees chapter 10, after the flood, Noah cries out because the spirits of the giants, the disembodied spirits, are corrupting, destroying, and leading mankind astray. These are the same forces that later manifest as the covenant curses in Deuteronomy 28. These are not random evils. These are administrative forces. They operate only when the Creator allows them to operate. And in response to Noah's cry, the angels teach him all their medicines. Not magic, not sorcery, not superstition, medicines, remedies, knowledge, countermeasures. Healing technology is designed to neutralize the influence of the spirits that remain in the earth. This is the first thing I want you to understand. The medicines were not given to the world. The medicines were given to the covenant line. Noah received them because Noah was righteous. Noah received them because Noah walked with God. Noah received them because Noah was the beginning of a new administration after the flood. And once Noah received them, he did not scatter them among the nations. He passed them to Shem, the son who carried the blessing. Shem passed them to Abraham, the man chosen to restore the covenant. Abraham passed them to Isaac, the son of promise. Isaac passed them to Jacob, the father of the 12 tribes. And Jacob passed them to Judah, the tribe appointed to rule, to govern, and to restore. This is the pattern. Noah, Shem, Abraham, Isaac, Jacob, and then Judah. The same line that carried the blessing carried the medicines. The same line that carried the covenant carried the healing. The same line that carried the scepter carried the knowledge of restoration. Why Judah? Because Judah is the tribe of kingship. Judah is the tribe of leadership. Judah is the tribe of preservation. Judah is the tribe through which the Messiah comes. Judah is the tribe that carries the responsibility to restore what the spirits corrupt. This is why the medicines could not go to Ishmael. This is why they could not go to Esau. This is why they could not go to the nations. This knowledge was not cultural. It was covenantal. Now let me show you the deeper structure. In Jubilees 10, The medicines are given to counteract the spirits. In Deuteronomy 28, the curses are the visible manifestation of those same spirits when the people break covenant. So Jubilee shows you the cause, and Deuteronomy shows you the effect. Jubilee shows you the spiritual administration, and Deuteronomy shows you the physical symptoms. Jubilee shows you the remedy, and Deuteronomy shows you the disease. This is why the medicines had to stay in the covenant line, because only the covenant line had the authority to heal what the spirits damaged. Only the covenant line had the responsibility to restore what wickedness corrupted. Only the covenant line had the assignment to preserve humanity from destruction. And this is where hoodoo, in its original form, comes into the picture. Not the commercialized version, not the distorted version, not the version mixed with the superstition and fear. I'm talking about the original, ancestral, covenantal, healing knowledge. The knowledge that came from Noah, the knowledge that passed through Shem, the knowledge that Abraham carried, the knowledge that Isaac preserved, the knowledge that Jacob guarded, and the knowledge that Judah inherited. This is why Judah is not just a tribe. Judah is a responsibility. Judah is an assignment. Judah is a healing administration. Judah carries the scepter, but Judah also carries the medicine. Judah carries the authority, but Judah also carries the remedy. Judah carries the kingship, but Judah also carries the restoration. So when you see the curses in Deuteronomy 28, the consumption, the fever, the inflammation, the blasting, the mildew, you are not seeing God killing his people. You are seeing what happens when the people step outside the covenant and activate the forces that were already present in the earth. And when you see healing, restoration, deliverance, and renewal, you are seeing the medicines of Noah at work through the covenant line. This is why the Messiah comes from Judah, because the Messiah is the ultimate healer, the ultimate restorer, the ultimate carrier of the medicines, the fulfillment of the lineage. So today I want you to understand this. Healing is not random. Restoration is not random. Authority is not random. It is inherited. It is transmitted. It is preserved. It is covenantal. The medicines of Noah were never lost. They were carried. They were guarded. They were preserved in the remnant. And now in this generation, they are being restored. This is the teaching. This is the lineage. This is the inheritance. This is the responsibility. May those with ears to hear, hear.